Blake Lively, a beloved actress known for her roles in Gossip Girl and The Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants, has found herself in the middle of a shocking controversy involving Meghan Markle and her It Ends With Us co-star, Justin Baldoni. Lively has reportedly taken legal action against Markle, accusing the Duchess of Sussex of sending her death threats. This surprising move comes after Lively allegedly referred to Markle as a brainless woman, a comment that seems to have triggered a downward spiral in their relationship. Adding fuel to the fire, Lively has also accused Baldoni of sexual harassment and trying to destroy her reputation. Markle's representatives have quickly dismissed these allegations, calling them nothing more than a publicity stunt. Meanwhile, Baldoni's legal team has categorically denied any wrongdoing, calling Lively's claims baseless and harmful. This dramatic turn of events has caught the attention of fans and critics alike, sparking heated debates about power dynamics, workplace ethics, and the often toxic nature of fame. At the center of this storm is Lively's lawsuit against Baldoni, which paints a troubling picture of the workplace environment on the set of It Ends With Us. According to Lively, Baldoni made inappropriate physical advances toward her and frequently engaged in conversations about his personal life that made her uncomfortable. Beyond these allegations, she accuses Baldoni of orchestrating a smear campaign to tarnish her public image, leaking information to the press, and sabotaging her career behind the scenes. Baldoni's team has denied all allegations, arguing that this is merely a professional disagreement being blown out of proportion. They've questioned the timing of Lively's claims, suggesting they might be an attempt to overshadow the movie's upcoming release and harm his career. While Meghan Markle isn't directly involved in the legal battle between Lively and Baldoni, her name has been dragged into the scandal in a dramatic way. Reports suggest that Markle privately referred to Lively as a brainless woman, a comment that eventually leaked and set off a chain of events. Lively claims this led to her receiving death threats, which she believes were orchestrated by Markle. Markle's camp has vehemently denied these accusations, calling them part of an elaborate PR ploy to generate sympathy for Lively. In response to the claims, Markle dismissed them as desperate attempts to grab headlines. She reportedly stated, "I've dealt with baseless accusations before. This is just another stunt." Her dismissive tone hasn't done her any favors, as public sentiment remains divided. While her defenders point to a history of unfair treatment by the media, critics argue that Markle often seems to find herself at the center of controversy, and her public persona has started to wear thin. On social media, the battle lines are clearly drawn. Supporters of Blake Lively have praised her bravery for coming forward with serious allegations of harassment and misconduct, while fans of Baldoni claim the accusations are a strategic move to derail his career. Markle's supporters, meanwhile, have dismissed the claims as absurd, arguing that she's become an easy target for criticism. However, detractors point out that Markle's frequent clashes with others, both in Hollywood and within the royal family, suggest a pattern of behavior that's hard to ignore. This entire situation is more than just a personal feud. It shines a harsh light on deeper issues within the entertainment industry. Lively's allegations about harassment and smear campaigns highlight the need for safer, more professional workplaces in Hollywood. Meanwhile, the role of media sensationalism and public perception in shaping narratives reminds us of how vulnerable public figures can be in the digital age. Markle's alleged involvement only adds to the intrigue, showing how quickly rumors and private comments can spiral into full-blown scandals. As the legal battles unfold, there are many unanswered questions. Will Lively's claims against Baldoni hold up in court? Can Baldoni successfully defend his reputation and move forward in his career? And will Markle, once again embroiled in a high-profile controversy, be able to shift focus back to her humanitarian work, or will this scandal further tarnish her already polarizing public image? What's clear is that this Hollywood saga is far from over. With so much at stake and public interest at an all-time high, the outcomes of these disputes could have a lasting impact, not just on the individuals involved, but also on broader conversations about power, accountability, and fairness in the entertainment world. As for Markle, critics argue that her repeated appearances in conflicts like this one might not be doing her any favors. Instead of focusing on the humanitarian efforts she often promotes, she seems to be at the center of yet another controversy, leading some to question whether her actions match her rhetoric. Whether this situation is resolved with dignity or devolves further into chaos. One thing is certain, the spotlight isn't going away anytime soon.